Have you ever paused to truly listen to the sounds of nature? From the gentle rustling of leaves to the distant calls of wildlife, there's an entire world of sound waiting to be explored. Today, we're diving into how AI is helping us uncover these stunning natural symphonies. Understanding the sounds of nature is not just fascinating, it's essential for our planet. As climate change impacts ecosystems, grasping how wildlife communicates becomes crucial for protecting biodiversity and deepening our connection with the environment around us. 1. A soundscape is the unique audio fingerprint of a specific environment, capturing sounds like birds chirping, wind rustling, or water flowing. AI assists us in recording and analyzing these sounds, revealing patterns we might otherwise miss. Point 2. AI can swiftly process vast amounts of audio data, identifying various bird calls or tracking changes in animal behavior based on sound. This analysis helps researchers understand how species interact and adapt to changes in their habitats. Point 3. By utilizing AI to monitor soundscapes, conservationists can assess the health of ecosystems. A decline in specific sounds may indicate a drop in wildlife populations, providing crucial information for timely conservation actions. Point 4. AI can help us detect the effects of climate change through sound. Changes in sound patterns may signal stress among wildlife. If animals are quieter or alter their calls, it could indicate that something is wrong in their environment. Point 5. Finally, AI can create immersive sound experiences. With technology, we can listen to soundscapes from around the globe, fostering a deeper appreciation for nature and inspiring us to take action for its preservation. 1. Spend time outdoors and really focus on the sounds around you. 2. Explore apps that can help identify bird calls or other local sounds. 3. Record the sounds you encounter in nature and share them online to raise awareness about local wildlife. Many people overlook the sounds right in their backyards. Take a moment to listen, you might be surprised by what you discover. While AI is powerful, don't forget the importance of simply being present and listening to nature with your own ears. So, the next time you're outside, take a moment to tune in. The sounds around you can reveal so much about the world. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite nature sounds in the comments below. URL 1, URL 2, URL 3. Have you ever closed your eyes and listened to the sounds of nature? The chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves provide invaluable insights about our environment. Today, we'll explore how AI is enhancing our understanding of these natural soundscapes like never before. Understanding nature's sounds goes beyond a pleasant experience. It's essential for preserving our ecosystems. As climate change impacts wildlife, these sounds can reveal how animals adapt or struggle. By leveraging AI to analyze these sounds, we can gain crucial insights that aid in protecting our planet. 1. AI can identify various animal calls across different habitats. By recording and analyzing these audio clips, we can track species populations and behaviors, showcasing the incredible diversity of our planet. 2. Changes in soundscapes can signal shifts in the environment. For example, if we hear fewer bird calls or notice different frequencies, it may indicate a problem. AI can alert researchers to these changes much faster than human ears can. Point 3. By analyzing sounds from healthy ecosystems, AI can guide us in restoring damaged areas. Playing back recordings of natural sounds can attract wildlife back, helping to create a more balanced environment. Point 4. With AI tools, everyday people can participate in conservation efforts. Community members can record sounds in their local parks and use apps to analyze these recordings, fostering a fun and meaningful connection to nature. 5. AI helps highlight sounds we might often overlook. By showcasing these soundscapes through apps and platforms, people can learn about the significance of every chirp, croak, and rustle, fostering a deeper appreciation for nature. Try Merlin Bird ID to identify birds by their songs. Use your phone to capture sounds in your area. It's a simple way to connect with nature. Look for local conservation groups focused on sound recording and analysis. Find quiet spots to record. Background noise can drown out the important sounds you want to capture. If you notice changes in sound, report them to local wildlife organizations. Your observations are valuable. Nature sounds are a treasure trove of information, and AI is making it easier for us to tap into this resource. So, the next time you're outside, take a moment to listen. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your own nature sound recordings in the comments below. Your source URL here, your source URL here, your source URL here. Have you ever paused to truly listen to the sounds of nature around you? Those sounds are packed with secrets, and AI is helping us uncover them. Understanding nature's sounds goes beyond enjoying a walk in the park. They offer valuable insights into our environment, including how climate change affects wildlife. With AI's help, we can protect our planet and deepen our appreciation for its beauty. 1. Soundscapes are the unique sounds from specific environments, like forests or wetlands. They encompass everything from birds chirping to leaves rustling. AI analyzes these sounds, helping us identify various species and better understand their behaviors. Point 2. Advanced AI tools can sift through hours of nature audio recordings, detecting patterns and nuances we might miss. This capability allows researchers to monitor a wide range of environmental changes, animal populations, and observe changes over time. By studying soundscapes, AI reveals critical information about biodiversity, showing which species are thriving and which are struggling. This knowledge is vital for guiding conservation efforts and protecting vulnerable species.